Now we turn to the third part of the state, the rulers, the people who are in charge, the people who are supposed to be the lovers of wisdom, the philosophers, we're going to see in a minute. And they're equivalent in the person to the rational part of the soul. And remember, let me just remind you, when we're talking about the rulers, we're not talking about the people who actually rule today, but rather the people who rule Plato's ideal state, his utopia, so to speak. A utopia is an ideal state, an ideal world. That's what goes on. The rational part of the soul, reason, similar to rulers, it desires knowledge and wisdom. That's actually its virtue. Virtue are rulers, the lovers of wisdom, philosophers are knowledge, the lovers of wisdom or lovers of knowledge, philosophers. The rational parts of the soul is what its excellence is, its virtue is, desiring, its purpose is desiring knowledge, wisdom. And obviously the virtue is wisdom. Now finally, overall, justice is the thing that creates harmony among parts. It is the virtue of creating harmony among the parts. In the state, what is it? It's having people do what they're supposed to, and having the lovers of wisdom or knowledge, the philosophers, ruling the state, letting people create the laws who have knowledge and wisdom, as opposed to just letting anybody create any old laws. In the individual, the part that's equivalent to this, in the individual, justice is letting the rational part, having each part do what its function and show its virtue, but also having the rational part, letting reason rule, control the person. Reason understands the different parts of the person, so it should be ruling. And when it does, we have a situation of justice. That's what moral rightness, so to speak, is.